pack your bags, let's sail away to the land of opportunity. Richard Hart has changed the game. He raised the bar, now DeFi will never be the same. I'm with the captain and we're making it happen. No one's ever stopping this community. We got the fire, we got the flame, and no one ever's gonna stand in our way. The haters are gonna hate as the cruise ship pulls away. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. We're crashing all the parties and we're driving Maseratis. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. Roads paved with gold, truth be told, we're changing lives. It's Hex 5555, I stake that Hex to stay alive. G3, the captain chilling with the BlackSheep, we rapping and packing our bags. We're blessed to wake up every day, cause we're on the Pulsechain. I'm with the captain and we're making it happen. No one's ever stopping this community. We got the fire, we got the flame, and no one ever's gonna stand in our way. In Mexico, the haters are gonna hate as the cruise ship pulls away. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. We're crashing all the parties and we're driving Maseratis. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. Had to join cause you couldn't beat us. Now you got financial freedom. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. And the beat is gonna beg, and we're all gonna be rich. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico.
What's going on? I got fucking mice in my RV. It's fucking bullshit.
Are they after your cheese, bro?
Oh, the dog just grabbed the fucking trap and there was a fucking mouse on it. Another one. We just got rid of one the other day. Yeah, I'll be right back. Go ahead and share your screen. You wanna do some charting? You say you got some good stuff out there?
Yeah, these charts are starting to look really nice. Very nice charts. All right. First things first, we're gonna cover Hex. So Hex putting in higher lows, right? Very nice structure here. Holding the mid range, right? To me, it looks like we're about to go into price discovery and go on a major real rally. I don't know what we're gonna go this high. I'm just kind of drawing it out for you guys, but yeah, it looks really good. A lot of altcoins actually look like they bottomed out. To be fair, Hex didn't really capitulate. I mean, it had its capitulation here down at the range low, but still trading within its trading ranges, even down here when it was really bad and dull in the Pulsechain ecosystem down here. But really, if you look at the chart, it actually didn't do anything very unordinary from its range. We had Hex opening when the chain opened. We had a retest. We came back down to the range low, reaccumulation, a third retest, and now we're showing even more accumulation here, right? If you look left on the chart, you could clearly see that there's now more people accumulating Hex than ever really before, right? Yep. So what's going to happen is, well, we're going to go into the markup phase of this asset. We're going to go into price discovery on Hex pretty quick, because look at our weekly. Our weekly is now giving us about to give us a major buy signal on the weekly time frame. All right. And the weekly time frame, as you guys know, this could take some months to play out. It's not just going to happen tomorrow. But you know, your 3-day is got some nice curvature on that stochastic for a massive parabolic move, and that is about to happen with Hex. You got a 3-day MACD cross that is confirmed as of today. Your first positive momentum histogram that you've seen now since really December of 2024. That is almost a year, guys. Okay. That is a major development on the chart. I feel like you guys should really understand what's about to happen here. If you're not in positions, you should probably be in positions, and you're in for a real ride. I think this could be a real ride, guys. This looks like a big bull flag if you really look at it. Okay. If you just reiterate what that previous bull flag was and you reiterate it from the bottom of that range, it actually points to around a 7 to 10 cent hex. Okay. That's gonna light up the chain. Because Hex, as you guys know, is what, a $2 billion asset. I don't even know if that's right, but I'm just looking at it right there. $2 billion. And if this thing is gonna go 5x from here, 4x from here.
That should be good.
That's going to put it around a $10 billion valuation. That's a huge market cap, right? We've been sitting here talking about things like Ink token. Okay, we saw Richard put a tweet out the other day, around a couple days ago, that they reduced the token inflation by 10x. That's a big deal. That's going to put a lot of buying pressure on this asset for those whales that want to continue to earn yield. But now they have to buy 10x times more of the tokens to earn that same yield that they were earning. Okay, it's going to put huge buy pressure on those whales to accumulate more Ink tokens. I don't know all the other implications, but to me, that's what it sounds like that's going to happen. Again, you got the weekly giving you basically the buy signal, or very close to giving you a weekly buy signal here on Ink. Still really cheap down here at the bottom of this range. The top of the range being like $8 to $10 region. To me, this looks like a big blowout is coming. And the reason why I want to show you guys something really interesting that I spotted, and I know when wrap Bitcoin hit $2,600, I was telling everybody to roll into Ink, okay, because of that long wick rejection candle.
Yeah,
I want to show you guys something really interesting, because I know I was maybe a bit preemptive when that happened. Some people maybe lost their Bitcoin positions or whatever. Yeah. So what I want to show you is exactly that chart, because it's literally painted the same exact way before Ink went on its 40-cent move to its $10 move. All right. So check this out. Richard painted this perfectly for us. Okay. I did it. I looked at this last night and I was like, holy shit, it's the same chart pattern. It's literally the same chart pattern. If you go to the weekly chart, first thing you need to look at is, you got the weekly massive rejection wick at the top, right? And then the ratio went up. But what did it do? It did never reclaim this wick, right? It never reclaimed, no candle body closes above the 200 ratio, right? Okay. Now, reiteration. This was when wrap Bitcoin up here went to $2,600. This long wick. This is a massive rejection candle. If I see this type of candle, I'm getting out of the asset ASAP, because it's a reversal candle. However, it didn't reverse right away. It actually got up to the candle body wick, but we never made we barely made, I would say, it was almost a fake out breakout on the ratio. Okay. So it happened, but very, very slightly. And we made massive amounts of bearish divergence up here. And now you're seeing Ink take the lead on the ratio, which is exactly what happened here. And we're printing that weekly super trend short. This means Ink going on a run, wrap Bitcoin in the back seat for now. Okay. I'm looking at, about a one, probably this area here. It's probably not going to deviate too much lower, because wrap Bitcoin's pretty scarce of an asset. It's lower market cap too. And if the whole chain's going to light up, then, wrap Bitcoin versus dollar is probably going to go up too. But for the time being, I'm targeting this 165 to 130 region, which is still about a 40%, 45% move on a ratio. That's a big deal on a ratio trade. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, it's almost an identical pattern to what this is here. I don't know if you missed it, Sheep, but it's the same chart. It's the same fucking chart.
Yeah.
It's
Good
crazy.
stuff.
All right, we've identified it. It's been identified. So Inc is going to go on a run here versus Bitcoin. That's what we're talking about. All right, let's look at Teddy Bear. The Teddy Bear Rat Bitcoin ratio looks like it actually put in its bottom versus Bitcoin. So Teddy Bear probably starts to reverse here versus Bitcoin. First, the dollar, I think it's got a little bit more consolidating to do before we really see it start to take off. But I think maybe by the end of February here, we're going to see Teddy Bear start to really go. All right, we're getting really close to the apex of this wedge against Bitcoin. All right. And how do I know that this is the bottom for the ratio? Well, look what it did here on the daily today. Just held the trend line and put a bullish engulfing candle in.
Nice.
Meaning today, Teddy Bear outperformed Bitcoin by 6%. Okay.
Yeah.
So, if you're trying to accumulate more Bitcoin, this is a good way to do it. Also, with the Inc trade, it's also a good way to do it. You just have to be very tentative to watch those ratios and how they're playing, because you could end up making mistakes and lose your position. So definitely don't go all in or do something drastic where you can really damage your portfolio in that fashion. However,
Yeah.
I mean, obviously at the end of the day, we're all selling for stable coin or something, so it doesn't really matter that much. But yeah, so Inc today put a new high in around 311. It looks like it's just pivoting and rallying again. Look what it's doing. It's just higher low and pivot and run. Okay. Inc going on a run. It's like I said, that chart is the same chart structure versus the dollar as what it did here against Rat Bitcoin. This is that move here where you saw Rat Bitcoin lose its ratio against Inc. Okay.
Yep.
That's what we just printed here. That's what this is. This move here is what Inc is about to do right now. This move.
Nice.
Beautiful thing when he paints it like
We got
that.
cookies. We got Noob. We got Romex. We got is that it? We got Joseph Smith. What up? Yeah, let's give away a lottery ticket real quick.
Oh yeah, the Node NFTs, by the way, those are about to be
well,
launched. Round 2 is about to launch.
Okay.
I don't know where Donnie is with any of that.
I don't know. All right, magic word is dishes. Let's do it.
Yeah, cookies.
Come on down. Here we go. Thank you. Come again.
Hex trying to break its descent. It's EHEX trying to break its descending broadening formation right now.
Nice.
Wow. The EHEX hex chart is telling you to sell your hex for EHEX. Or I was wanting to look at that actually. So if we look at the what does hex pulse chain look like? So I don't know. Okay. Yeah, so EHEX is just starting to outperform Pulsechain. That should give you a clue what's about to happen. Hex is about to go nuts. Inc is about to go nuts. And then Pulsechain probably goes nuts.
Yeah. It's good. That's good.
And then Teddy Bear going to go nuts.
Dun, 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 dun.
All right, so I wanted to look at the EHEX hex ratio. All right, so if we change it to hex.
Listen up. We're going undercover at a wedding, and we need to send in the detective who gives us the best chance to catch the bouquet. Me!
So what is that actually saying? This is saying that this ratio is going to go up.
So EHEX can outperform PHEX?
The weekly's not telling you that, though. The weekly's actually saying the opposite.
Yeah.
But the daily is saying something else. Yeah, I think we're gonna see EHEX make a major rip, dude. Yeah.
Good. Let's go.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna roll the hex that I have.
So what do you think of the hot X? The fucking or the Maria hex? Because I noticed
I was looking at
out of its ratio versus hex, so I don't know if it's gonna bounce at some point. Like I don't want to just fucking because I never did roll it back over. But
you should probably DCA it. You should probably add more to it.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's what I'm thinking, because at some point it's gonna that ratio is gonna flip back the other way, right?
So versus the dollar, versus the dollar, it's wrecked, right? It has a lot of upside versus the dollar.
Exactly. Versus but look at the hex side.
Versus hex, it's wrecked.
Yeah, it's wrecked. So,
So, but if hex is gonna run,
it's just gonna keep getting wrecked.
Yeah, good.
Lovely. I mean, I don't really see any buy pressure coming into this to bounce it, but
yeah, I would probably just roll. I mean, just hold it. It's going to go up versus the dollar.
Yeah, it'll go up.
And it's paired against hex. So when hex does go up, it's going to go up versus the dollar. It may not outperform. It's not going to outperform hex though. Well, I mean, it should actually now. The daily's oversold. It's
really fucking oversold, dude. So like,
yeah, it's probably you probably should DCA it.
Yeah. So I'm thinking, because when it does fucking swing around, it's gonna fucking swing hard.
Well, this is an Atropa asset, so all the Atropa assets are wrecked right now, right? Teddy
they're all wrecked.
Atropa's wrecked. Once those all reverse, this is gonna outperform hex, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you get closer to the bottom of this range, you could probably start DCing it now, but I would say once it gets to this low, see what it's doing there, and then maybe DCA the bag. If you own a hex position.
What is up? Oh, he's DCing. We got Cookies DCing. Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Exactly what I just said, Cookies. When the Atropa ecosystem flips, he's gonna let the cores run right now, and then he's gonna take that money after the cores run and roll it into fucking the Atropa system to pump the Atropa system, to pump PDI, to pump the pegs.
Send it. Yeah, that makes sense.
It's a rotation of capital, but those core assets suck in a lot more liquidity than the Atropa ecosystem.
Yep, exactly.
So that's what's going on here. That's exactly what's going on here.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. Let's get rich.
Let's go.
All right, next. Who's next?
Yeah, boy!
All right.
Yeah, EHEX is ready, dude. This is ready.
Yeah. Good shit.
This is ready to rock, dude.
What do you think of the most coins?
Most token?
Yeah,
I was looking at that earlier today. It started to make like a wedge structure and whatever, but I don't know that it actually ended up completing it. Let's see. I hear that's tied to PDI, by the way.
Yeah. Is it?
So if it's tied to PDI, then it's probably going to pull back until the Atropa system goes.
Well, I see. It's got a die. It's got a die pool.
I'm not a fan of this daily candle at all. That is not a good candle. Okay.
Correct.
Yeah, I'm also not a fan of this 3-day long wick, dude.
Yeah.
Not a fan of that. Not a fan of that. There's definitely better assets you can have your money in right now.
Yeah. Well, he'll pump it when he's ready.
Yeah. He'll pump it when the Atropa system's ready. After he pumps his core assets. Look for the range low here on this, I think. You got like a daily indecision candle. That's usually not a good candle.
All right.
Yeah, watch the volume receding here. So, yeah, I think a move down and maybe a consolidation and then a blast out after that.
Nice.
But you could be looking at some consolidation there for a bit.
Whatever. I'm just holding all my assets, so.
Yeah. No, I'm just, telling you what I see. Telling you what I see.
Shit from now on. Yeah, but looks good. Looks like we're getting close then.
Daily wrap Bitcoin looks like it's just holding the range. Holding the range. Nice consolidation structure here. He paints these consolidations so perfect, man. So perfect, these arbitrage bots he's got running on these things, dude. This is like textbook fucking flag pattern right here. Like, fuck, that looks like it's about to fucking do something. At least pop back up to like 850 or something. And maybe even reclaim this level and then just consolidate again and then just consolidate more so in this structure because it needs to consolidate more because Inc is going to outperform it and all these other core assets are going to outperform it. Yeah. You know what looks really good PRC 20 wise? Maker. Yeah. Maker looks really good. Really, really nice structure on Maker here. That's a textbook wedge setup right there.
Yeah.
Yep. He's going to send this one out because if he's going to peg all these assets, they're going to have to vote on shit again, right?
Yeah.
There you go. Fucking send it to $200.
Oh yeah.
Nope. That's a big trade setup right there. Yep. You can see the parabola structure that's coming in. They're probably sending this to like $200-300 on this push. This last move was like a 20x, right? Yep. So I think this thing could still move 20x, still low enough cap to do something like that. Yep. $300. Next leg.
Yeah.
Crazy move there for Maker.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at the 3-day bull div on this fucking thing. That looks nuts. I'm in another trade right now. I know, you guys don't like stuff other than Pulsechain, but this is one of Base's major, or I should say Virtual's major, what's it called, token, infrastructure token.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this wedgie. This just broke out today.
Yeah.
Yep. That's looking pretty good. 3-day, daily. Yeah, it all looks good. Sold on the daily time frame like that. Oh, buddy. Better watch out. That chart is about to do some stupid stuff. Cool.
Nice.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Nice resets in this market, guys. All across the board, I would say.
How's Ethereum, Bitcoin looking? Anything yet?
Probably still like shit. It's done capitulating. ETH is probably at 4.
Okay.
This is probably the 4. That's it.
Come on, alt season. Let's go.
Yep. I think alt season underway.
I'm going to get off here. Thanks for coming. Congrats to the winners. We'll see you tomorrow. Let's get those gains on the Pulsechain. Peace.
Richard Hart is such a pimp, I just wanna be like him. Give me some hotties and a Rolex calamari and a super hot Ferrari. I'm sorry if I'm a little offensive, but Pulsechain coming through and gonna make us rich. On the Pulsechain, you know we're stacking up our gains. On the Pulsechain, we got the hookers and cocaines. On the Pulsechain, you know we don't give a shit. In the words of Nagapur, jackpot bitch. On the Pulsechain, you know we're stacking up our gains. On the Pulsechain, we got the hookers and cocaines. On the Pulsechain, you know we don't give a shit. In the words of Nagapur, jackpot bitch.
That's the black sheep token. That's the token I care the least about.